Welcome back to Dhanya's classroom. I am Dhanya. Today we are going to discuss the continuation of our first chapter, Season and Time. Listen my dears, our first part, that is local time. What is local time? The time estimated at each place based on the position of the sun is termed as local time. Once more, the time estimated at each place based on the position of the sun is termed as local time. The local time would be different at each longitude. Last class we discussed that longitudes, then different longitude, different time may be there. If we start calculating the local time at different places based on the longitude there, it would create a lot of confusion. Then one example, imagine this is our country, our India. Then this is eastern part of India. Then eastern part of India, through that way 97-degree longitude passes. Then here western part 68-degree passes. Then here one time, here another time. When we selected the two time, it created a lot of difficulties, lot of confusion in our country. Then we want to find out a solution for that. Before that, one question waiting for us. Then this is the question. What will be the hardship if there are several local times in a country? Then this is our textbook question. Then what is that? What will be the hardship if there are several local times in a country? Then ചോദ്യം മനസ്സിലായി കാണുമെന്ന് കരുതുകയാണ്. ഒരു രാജ്യത്ത് ഒന്നിലധികം ലോക്കൽ ടൈംസ് ഉണ്ടായാൽ എന്താണ് പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടാവുക? Then answer, cannot prepare a railway timetable applicable throughout the country. Then cannot prepare a railway timetable. Then same time cannot give announcement about radio program. Cannot give announcement related with radio program. Then think about the entrance exam as like a lot of exam. Then countrywide exam. Is it possible to conduct countrywide exam? No. Then here one time, here another time. Then we can't conduct countrywide exam. To solve this, we want to find out a solution. That's why we selected a longitude as one country's longitude. Listen. To solve this, the local time at the longitude that passes through the middle of a country, we selected as the common time for that country. Do you understand? Then realize that 68 here, 97 here. Then one longitude passes through the middle of our country. We selected as the longitude of local time. That means that is the standard meridian of our country. Then the local time at the standard meridian is the standard time of that country. Do you understand? That is a 2-mark question. What is standard time? Answer, the local time at the standard meridian of the standard meridian is termed as standard time of that country. The local time at the standard meridian is the standard time of that country. Our topic, that is Indian Standard Time. What is Indian Standard Time or IST? Listen. You know that the longitudinal extent of India is from 68-degree east to 97-degree east longitude. Once more, the longitudinal extent of our country, that is 68-degree east to 97-degree east. Then when already we completed, when we selected these two longitude, what are the problem? To solve that, we selected another longitude as India's longitude. Listen, the 82.5 degree east longitude. What is that? 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes almost through the middle of this longitude. Then 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes almost through the middle of this longitude, has been fixed as the standard meridian of our country. Then question, which is India's standard meridian? No doubt 82.5 degree east longitude is the standard meridian of our country. Then the local along this longitude. The local time at this 82.5 degree east longitude is considered as the standard time of our country. Then what may be the timing that is that the 82.5 degree east longitude, that is the standard time of our country. Then which is India's standard meridian? No doubt that is 82.5 degree east longitude. Our topic, that is Greenwich time and time zones. What is that? Greenwich time and time zones. Then these are the 4 important questions, 2 more questions. What is Greenwich Meridian? What is Prime Meridian? What is Greenwich Mean Time? Then what is time zone? Now listen my dears, already we studied, we know that what is Greenwich line. Then 0 degree longitude is known as Greenwich Meridian. What is that? 0 degree longitude is known as Greenwich Meridian. Then another doubt, how that line got the name Greenwich? No doubt it acquired its name from the place Greenwich. Actually that is a place name. Greenwich, that is a place name. It acquired its name from Greenwich, the place where the Royal British Observatory is situated, through that place this line passes. Once more, it acquired its name from Greenwich, the place where the Royal British Observatory is situated and through which this line passes. I think you get an idea about this. The next 2 more question. What is Prime Meridian? What is Prime Meridian? Endana Prime Meridian? Listen. Time is calculated worldwide based on Greenwich Meridian. What is that? Time is calculated worldwide based on Greenwich Meridian. That's why this line is known as Prime Meridian. Which line is known as Prime Meridian? No doubt Greenwich line is known as Prime Meridian. Greenwich line, otherwise known as Prime Meridian. Time is calculated worldwide based on Greenwich Meridian. That's why this line is known as Prime Meridian. Next 2 more question. What is Greenwich Mean Time? What is Greenwich Mean Time? No doubt. Then the local time at the Prime Meridian, the local time at the Greenwich Meridian is known as the Greenwich Mean Time. The local time at the Greenwich Meridian is known as the Greenwich Mean Time. The next, what is time zone? Then based on Greenwich Meridian. What is that? Based on Greenwich Meridian, world is divided into 24 time zone. Then what is that? Then based on Greenwich Meridian, world is divided into 24 zones, each with 1 hour difference. World is divided into 24 zones, each with 1 hour difference. These are known as time zones. What is that? These are known as time zones. When we go to the east of Greenwich line and west of Greenwich line, what happened? Listen. When we move to the east of Greenwich Meridian, this is Greenwich Meridian. Already we realized that world is divided into 24 zones, each with a 1 hour difference. For every 15 degree longitude, 1 hour difference. Do you remember that what is this 15 degree difference? You know that angular distance of our earth is 360 degree. To turn 360 degree, our earth need 24 hours. Then 24 hours means 1 day. That means 1440 minutes. To turn 1 degree, our earth need, then 1440 divided by 360, that is 4 minutes. Then to turn 15 degree, our earth need 15 into 4, that is, what is that? 60. That means 1 hour. 60 means this is minute, 4 minute. Then 15 into 4 minute, that is 60 minute. 60 minute means 1 hour. Then here, when we move to the east of Greenwich Meridian, time increased increased by 1 hour for every 15 degree longitude. Once more, when we move to the east of Greenwich Meridian, time increased by 1 hour for every 15 degree longitude. Example. Then here time is 12 noon. Then here time 12 noon. What would be the corresponding time in this 15 degree longitude? Here time 12 noon. Then here no doubt that is 1 p.m. Okay. When we move to the east of Greenwich Meridian, time increased by 1 hour for every 15 degree longitude. Then here 12 o'clock, time 1 p.m. Then here 2, here 3, here 4 as like that. And what about the west? When we move to the west of Greenwich Meridian, time decreased by 1 hour for every 15 degree longitude. That means -1. Time decreased by 1 hour for every 15 degree longitude. Then here time is 12 noon. What would be the corresponding time in this western side 15 degree? That is 11 a.m. or p.m. 11 a.m. Then time decreased by 1 hour. 12 minus 1, that is 11 a.m. Then here 10 a.m. Then here 9 a.m. Here 8 a.m. As like this. Very important topic. When we move to the east of Greenwich line, for every 15 degree time increased by 1 hour. West of Greenwich Meridian, time decreased by 1 hour for every 15 degree longitude. Then another important point. In between this 0 degree and 14 degree. Otherwise in between this 50 degree and 30 degree as like every degrees. Then remaining longitudes are the example. Here 0 degree. Then here 15 degree. Here 15 degree. Then in between this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as like up to 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here 14, 15. Then here 12 o'clock. Then we know that here 12 noon. Then when we move to the east, time increased. Then no doubt here 1 p.m. Then in between this 1 degree, 2 degree, what would be the corresponding time here? Listen. Then to turn 1 degree, our earth need 4 minutes. To turn 1 degree, our earth need 4 minutes. Listen. Then here 12 o'clock. In 1 degree, time is 12:04. What is that? 12:04. Then here 12:08. Then here 12:12. As like want to add 4 minutes. Then here when we reach here, the time is 12:60. Then here 12:56. Then here 12:60. 12:60 means that is 1 p.m. I think you understand this topic. Then if you feel any doubt, please ask me. Then here 12 noon, every 1 degree, that is 4 minute difference. That means to turn 1 degree, our earth need 4 minutes. Then here 0 degree 12 o'clock, then 1 degree 12:04. As like we want to add. When we want to move to the eastern side, want to add 4 minutes. If it is to the western side, want to reduce that 4 minutes. Okay. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് ഇവിടെ പൂർണ്ണമാവുകയാണ്. ഇനി അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമുക്ക് കണ്ടെത്താനുള്ളത് വ്യത്യസ്ത മാർഗങ്ങളിലൂടെ ലോകരാജ്യങ്ങളിലെ സമയം എങ്ങനെ കണ്ടെത്താം എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. അതോടൊപ്പം അന്താരാഷ്ട്ര ദിനാങ്കരേഖ, ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ ഡേറ്റ് ലൈനും കൂടിയാണ് നമുക്ക് ഈ ചാപ്റ്ററിൽ പഠിക്കാനുള്ളൂ. അത് ഞാൻ അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടുവെങ്കിൽ ഈ വീഡിയോ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത് എന്ന് ഒന്നുകൂടി ഓർമ്മപ്പെടുത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി.